Alrighty then, let me walk you through something cool. So if you saw our last video, you saw where we played the trivia scene game from our server. Because of the way the workflow works, it would only work on the server. Well, using our existing webhook listener, we're able to make this work from any web device on your network, so that you can use any Plex client on your network to play the trivia game. And let's see it in action. So, as you can see, we went to the TBN-Plex web UI. We clicked this trivia scene game option. So what happens when you click that is, if your server webhook listener wasn't running, you would not get this response and you wouldn't be able to play. So because you get this, you know that you can play, and it's just warning you to make sure you have play checking turned off, so that way you don't muck up your play checking trying to play this game. So let's begin. Conveniently, the button says begin. Same as before, client is muted, trying to help us from getting a takedown. Oh, and I know this one. It's one of my favorites. Let's try it out. Winner, winner, winner. Let's get another scene. Oh, anyone who's seen any sci-fi knows that one just by that first frame alone. But let's pretend like you haven't seen any movies in your life and you need a hint. So we'll hit the hint button. There are 5 hints, and they are progressive per title. The first one is probably the easiest. You get 5 posters. One of them is, of course, the correct answer. Aliens. Winner, winner, winner. Let's get another scene. Now let me show you something, because conveniently this one is a good example of how things can be mucked up and what causes them. So these posters are pulled from the TBN-Plex database, which is not real-time to your Plex database. So for instance, I recently added Fat Man. I haven't updated my TBN-Plex database, and because of that, Fat Man is not appearing in the list here. It's like, oh my god, we can't pick. It should be that one or whatever. Let's get another hint and see what happens. Spoiler, same thing, only you will get a different 4 titles up here. But look, now we know some of the main characters are... And we'll pretend like I didn't know, so we'll give up. Fat Man. Let's get another one. And let's see a hint. Oh, excuse me. And whammy. So there you go. There is the TBN-Plex trivia scene game played from the TBN-Plex web UI. You notice right now it doesn't store your wins losses. Ooh, this is a good one. You might be wondering, what happens if you guess wrong? I guess we haven't guessed any wrong yet, because I only have 15 titles in here, and when you've tested this, you know them all. So you'd be like, oh, that's Firefly. And you'd be like, oh no, what is it? So there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's amazing you lasted this long. Have a good one.